Ladies and gentlemen, we have received one of the best cars of the year right here. This right here, guys, is pop culture. It is the Dash Fuel. It's the H case. I think it's the last pop culture for the year. This case is hot. This case arguably has one of the coolest cars of the year, in our humble opinion, of course. Hey everybody, it's Wheel Collectors. Welcome. Just in time for the weekend, we got in something that we've been wanting for a while. This right here has the legendary Silverado in Gulf TAMPO. And as always, we're just going to go 2x2 on the premium cases. The first two cars in the case are the Lionhead Holland Gas, 1937 Holland Gas. Try to get you guys a good look of the Holland Gas and each model in this particular set. Again, this is the Dash Fuel Pop Culture H case. It says Monarch of Oil on the card back. The card backs are sweet. You know, fuel type and oil type items. Very popular in the car world. I think Mattel did a good job on this set here. The next two in the case are the 78 Dodge Little Red Express. This has the shell TAMPO on it. Again, the art is just sweet. It's very cool, nice looking stuff. Okay, now I don't even know how to say this one. I've seen the logo many times, but I think it's a Jeep. This is the 38 Dodge Airflow with this logo. This is the fifth car in the set, but it's the third car that I've pulled out of the box. Very cool. And then the car that I have personally been wanting for a long time. Check this out, guys. This is the 83 Chevy Silverado with the Gulf TAMPO. Personally, I think the Silverado is sweet. I've always liked this casting. This casting is obviously hot right now. It's just very cool. Get you a good look of the Silverado. The next two cars in the case. This might be my second favorite model. It's the Valvoline 63 Studebaker Champ. Very cool, very clean. This truck is always popular too, but I like this one. Valvoline card back is sick. And then the last two cars in the case are also the Silverado and the Studebaker. So there you go, folks. There's a breakdown of the case. Very cool premium Hot Wheels for the weekend. We actually have a few more things that I'm going to show you in the next couple of days that also came in today. This just happens to be the first one. Hope you guys have a great weekend. We'll catch you soon. This is Wheel Collectors out.